Hey guys, it's Willy here and today I'm back on this video on which is better. So first of all, let me show you what is better. So we're using sniper rifle against this bomb thingy, cannonball rather. Yes. So first of all, let's start with this cannonball, and basically each round you'll be using the same things. Full diamond armor, we can't use that, so I'm gonna rather place it. Let's use it here. And so before we start, click the button. What? Oh, wrong side. Sorry. Come on, get ready. Put it here. Go in. Oh, so sorry about that. I really died that powerful, so I think it's below here. Only 1 point. Nah, who cares? What? Oh, it's here. So now his next one is a sniper rifle. I just activate that and I just died. So it's about 1 second. Yes, I just counted 1 second. Yeah. So what do I need is just like place this here. So ready? 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds, 13 seconds, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, it's 25 seconds. Looks like the winner. Oh, look at that. Looks like we're having a party. This is so bad. Ow. This is like so crazy. This is so crazy, guys. Look at that, it's so rapidly fast. Ow. I put on arrows, guys. Wow. Okay, we are having a party. Ouch. Oh no, I have 2 hearts. Even chicken. So you know who's the winner now. But then cannon has to be reset. But then this rapid fire is much more powerful, but it's killed the person slowly. So if you know the person entrance is here, its entrance is here, and then you can just place it here. And then once it started, you just destroy this and place the redstone and you'll just rapid fire. So you can never ever, you can do it all sides. Like one rapid row, then another rapid row, like they're just surrounding the house. So whenever you do that. But then the advantages is you will have, if there's no arrows, he can just escape or kill you, or rather he has full diamond armor, lots of golden apples, enchanted golden apples. Yes, then that will be bad. Just activate this again. Obsidian will never be exploded by TNTs. Not even by Soren's TNT in the story mode. Minecraft story mode, go ahead and download that. See how many arrows are there. Oh my god, you can just like randomly take all this. Oh my god, let's just collect all the arrows. No, it's too laggy. Don't just dodge it. Oh, survive. Get a diamond sword. Oh no. Oh no, I died. No, kill that guy. No. Take the diamond sword. Yes, I got the diamond sword. They can't kill me. Ouch. I'm being poisoned, guys. Let's collect that first and then collect that for a while. Looking at the arrows and then let's go around. Ouch. Did you see that? Oh, I don't want this rapid fire. Oh, this is so bad. Next die! No! No, 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 I'm dying. Let's break. No, I'm dying. No! Break this! Break this! Oh, no. Oh, yes. It finally started. Look at this! It's just like keep working. I want to slow it down better, so take. What happened? Take the redstone. Hey guys, this is so bad. I don't think I want to do this anymore. Anyway, but I still think that rapid fire is still the best. So if you think that is the greatest, you can just like make that. So it's just slowed down a bit. So let's do this. So now after you're done, so you know who the winner is, but I think truly the winner is still rapid fire. So you may like think cannon is still the best, but you need to reset it every time, and it only lasts very shortly, and it needs some material. But this you need to go to caves, and that you also need to go to the cave of the obsidians. Or TNT is so dangerous. If someone were to make you teleport to him and then you both die together and then you lost all your diamond, or he put lava there and then all your items are destroyed by lava, well, then it's good luck for you then. So I'm gonna end this video right now.